Here we have a document to Mrs. Vargas Weatherby, the project director, from me, an A2 expert. The intro: the purpose of this project is to compare the number of doctors in Tennessee to the number of nurses in Tennessee since 1999. All of the data is recorded as either in 1999 or later. The data: we got the doctors in Tennessee, we got a graph, we got the years after 99, going from 0 to 10. In this figure, it shows the number of doctors in Tennessee since the year 1999. And here we got nurses in Tennessee, the same exact thing, just shows the number of nurses instead of doctors as before. And then we got the number of doctors in Tennessee, which has a linear equation with it. So that's just the years after 99 up until 12 years. Got the number of doctors in Tennessee with this linear equation. And then here we have the nurses in Tennessee, same exact thing as the one above. The doctors also has a linear equation. Here we got the doctors in Tennessee, but this one has a polynomial equation, so it's a little bit different. It still has a trend line though, but it's just for doctors, number of doctors in Tennessee after the year of 1999. Same thing with this one. This one's except it's nurses with the polynomial equation. And this one has a little bit of a curve to it because it's put at -1, so it just shows the number of nurses in Tennessee since 99. This one is a Tennessee nurse to doctor ratio. This one just shows how many nurses per doctor they have in Tennessee. About on average, they have about 2.7 doctors or nurses per doctor in Tennessee. And this one also shows that with in the figure it shows the nurse to doctor ratio since 1999, but it also includes a trend line and has an asymptote, which is at 2.057. Analysis: it's very surprising to see that there are more nurses than doctors. That's what I thought. It took many steps to find this out. First, I had to gather my data, then I had to record the data, and finally I had to put it into a visual graph so we can see the results, which are all above. In this project, I investigated that the amount of nurses is about 2.5 on average compared to the amount of doctors in Tennessee. My conclusion: the purpose of this project is to analyze the number of nurses and doctors in the state of Tennessee. Also in this project, I noticed that there are more nurses in Tennessee than doctors. The ratio changes every year, but on average there are about 2.5 nurses per doctor. I also noticed that the ratio is going down every year at a constant pace, and the number of doctors and nurses is increasing a slow but a steady pace. Possible next steps could be try to predict what happens in the future based on the data and trying to record it.